Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A80s and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, and here it does not really matter whether you will be on the favorites, recents or contacts. All you have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to enter blocked numbers and tap on add a number. As you can see here, we've got the section where we can manually enter the number we want to block and tap on block. And as you can see, your device will immediately apply it to the blacklist. This is the blacklist. And from now on, you will now receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. Of course, you can also unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this X button and tapping on unblock. And here you've got also this option unknown, which means that your device will block all the calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn this option on just by tapping on the switcher and turn it off again. Turn it off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.